सपना चाहे डॉक्टर बनने का हो या इंजीनियर बनने का या फिर इंडिया के लिए ओलंपियाड्स में मेडल लाने का, इसके लिए तैयारी कुछ अलग ही लेवल की चाहिए। एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट नारायणा ऑफर्स, अ सिस्टम बिल्ड फॉर दोज हु डेयर टू ड्रीम बिग। With more than 900 plus institutions in 250 plus cities across 23 states, Narayana is one of Asia's largest education groups, guiding more than 6 lakh students per year with a committed team of 50,000 plus staff members and educators. So let's walk you through and see what a day inside Narayana really looks like. Whether it's chemistry, algebra, or physics for the Olympiads, all the classes begin with concept clarity. Our system doesn't just prepare the students for JEE or NEET, but for national and international Olympiads. Each book, each practice page, each test, and all the notes received by every single Narayana student is a result of deep research and constant innovation by our dedicated team. Small batches ensures that no doubt goes unnoticed. Each child is heard and each concept is strengthened. Our faculty is stable, committed, and long-term. They don't just teach, they mentor. They hold their students' hands from foundation to their final success. Each student is paired with a personal mentor, from stress management to performance tracking. Narayana mentorship is emotional and academic support combined. Each year, thousands of students across India give the exact same test under the exact same conditions, and what follows is a detailed error analysis report, which highlights the areas of opportunity which are benchmarked nationally.
जो टेस्ट में गलती होती है वो फिर रिपीट नहीं होती। मेंटोर समझाते हैं एग्जैक्टली क्या इम्प्रूव करना है।
मुझे ओलंपियाड्स के लिए स्पेशल सपोर्ट मिला, नोट्स, मॉक टेस्ट, एवरीथिंग। कॉन्फिडेंस आता है जब सिस्टम स्ट्रॉन्ग हो।
सिर्फ नीट के लिए नहीं, नारायणा ने मुझे टाइम मैनेजमेंट भी सिखाया, which has helped me in every subject and each topic.
Learning doesn't end when the class ends. So now, with NConnect and NLearn, the students can solve their doubts, revise, or even track their performances anywhere, anytime.
Narayana Group started by Dr. Narayana, who was a mathematics teacher. Okay, he started with 2 students in his house and then built, one classroom. That one classroom became one building, and one building by building. Today, we are across 850 campuses across the country.
ये सिर्फ एक कोचिंग नहीं है, ये एक जर्नी है जहाँ सिस्टम, सपोर्ट और सेल्फ बिलीफ सब मिलता है।
So if your child dreams big of becoming a doctor, an engineer, or representing India at the Olympiads, Narayana is not just the right place, it's the right system. सपना चाहे जो भी हो, नारायणा सिस्टम से हो सकता है पूरा।